Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
So whatever event reason we have created in manage of job-based structure, that event present will be populating here. But when you are performing some action, you have to take some relevant event reason. Okay. So standard weekly hours. So what is happening? Hours change or something. Is there right? Standard hours change. Okay, this is the event reason, correct. So if I want to show you the same thing here, I will duplicate the screen. So manage OK. So here, if I am going with event reason we can see. So this is already created here. That is the reason we are choosing. So this event and event reason is also another topic. In the next session we will be covering up this topic, okay. So this event reason which has been configured here, that only it is populating here. Okay. So the change of the name. What are the number of employees in the group? What is the effective date? What are the area? What is the under that area? What is the field lead in? What is a new value? What is the event reason? Everything you will find. Click on Save and Initiate. OK. So you can see here it has been initiated. Well, let me refresh it once. OK, showing started up. It is showing completed with errors. So, completed with errors, let me open it what? We will try to fix it out. Event reason is not a constraint, okay. So what we need to do, I will tell you, because I will go to why event reason it is not configured for that particular country what it is saying. So what we need to do? We have to go to manage data, okay. And we need to select country. Okay, IMD okay. So here, what is the event reason and the path standard? I was here. We need to add it, okay. So after adding this has been done, I think. Standard hours for India now again. Just refresh it okay. Because it is doing for one employee, because in that group only one employee here. So I can write out right office OK. Let me see. Yeah, it's there. This one at home. So when you click on this, you can see here the log is shown. This is. Yeah, it's obviously successfully changed. What if you were given this one? What are the number of 8 hours? 20 employees are there. The list will be coming in the 20 employees. The data is showing as a complete. Right. Created date. Everything will be showing here, OK. And we also have a download log. Also we can see who has initiated it. When it has been initiated. What was the group? How many members were there in the group? And then these 2 members will be there. OK. Now if we want to go and see in the employee profile, if it is updated or not. Just go and request the page once. And we can see if it is updated or not. OK, so here. Let me go to job information. You can see it has been changed. And if I go to the history, we can see the date also. If will. OK. Who has changed it? That also log. It will become. So sorry. It inserts a new record in this history, exactly. So if 20 members are there, if it is updated or not, randomly, you can take couple of users and test it in that development or in the previous system, where you have performed this action. Yeah. OK. So here you can see this has been performed successful. OK. So that is done. So this is used for either for job information or job validation. Whenever we want to. So if any of this in the job information, any of the field, value. Customer want to plan for the change for the bulk employees. We will be going and using mass change. OK. Now the another topic is how to terminate an empty line. So terminating an employee. Do you have any user? You have created something with Adly employee functionality. No. OK. Let me see. Let me see, I need to hire one employee. So let me go and see. Let me see if I can get some other user. Okay, so let me go and let me add the employee. Because I want to show you the employee project also. So we need to have one inactive employee. So let's take some. This is something. 2020.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.